everyone. So in this video we go over how exactly do I make modifications to the character designs that Midjourney gives me. So quickly, with this character, her name is Becky. She has alopecia at the young age of 5, yes. And with her design, as you can see, Midjourney didn't generate a back view, right? So in order to make that happen, I used my artistic talents to incorporate a back view. And so similar stuff like this often happens when you're designing with Midjourney. It will not do something it's supposed to do, even if you tell it to do that in the prompt. And sometimes you can just be going back and forth with it to an endless degree, trying to get it to do something you told it to do. And you don't want all that headache, baby. It's better just to go down, just stop being lazy, pick up your pen, and just draw what you need to get done. So in this case, I need a back view, and Midjourney was refusing to do it. So I was like, you know what? Back view. In addition to it refusing to do the back view correctly, Midjourney was also messing up in that it kept giving her 2 scarves. Like, she had a scarf on her head and a scarf on her neck. And I didn't want that because I just wanted her to have a scarf on her neck or head. Or I just wanted 1 scarf. Okay, I didn't need 2 scarves. So here I am working on the next character, and so this character, we decided to give him no arm. To be honest, that was a decision on a whim because I was struggling with the hand, as you can see, typical artist problems, and I was like, I can't even do this job. So I now just decided to remove his arm. Yes, okay, yes. So we give him some unique character, right? So yeah, and then I'm also working on modifying some things for us now. So this is something that I do not know how long you would spend trying to fix it with a prompt, but trying to get Midjourney not only to develop that extra character, the extra view, but like, you know, the side and another side view, but also to fix, like, it didn't do the coat is not the same in every position. So at least just to give myself an idea of what to do, since this is just a character design, so I'm just supposed to use it like as a reference when I'm drawing the character in different positions. So I didn't want to spend too much time on this, but at least to have the character in different, like, I have an idea of how the pattern is going to look in different angles. So kind of fixing that, because I see, look, as far as I'm aware, you cannot get Midjourney to fix that with a prompt. It would just do nonsense, or, you know, do you even want to risk it? So that was what I was working on in this one, as well as, you know, removing his hand for reasons I've already gone over. Stop judging me, okay? Anyway, so with this last design, just a few minor edits, like, you know, fixing the way the nose is done, changing the way the eyes are done, just stylistic different. This is just purely my taste and just things that I want done a certain way. And yeah, and also just like making sure that we have different views for me to compare with. And yeah, again, character design, it depends how attached I am to the character, but also I kind of don't want to spend too much time on character design, simply for the reason that the goal is to just have something to reference as I'm working on the webtoon or the story. So don't want to spend too much time character designing. I want to give more time to the thought behind each character, like their story, and then just quickly trying to get that like into a visual form, like concept art, you know. And then from there, yeah, character design is under concept art, so it makes sense. And then from there, we just go straight into the meat, which is sketching for the actual story. So I'm gonna release some video on that sooner rather than later. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll subscribe or follow to see the next one. Alright, toodles, peace, love you, God bless, Mary and Joseph keep ya. You know what I'm talking about. That blessing of the Lord through his saints. You know what I mean? Alright, peace. You probably don't know what I mean. Don't worry. Okay, bye-bye.